Is this a weed or a wildflower? Several came up in my backyard. This is from Miss Linda. So, Tonya, is this a weed or a wildflower? And it depends, right?
In the wildflower,
right?
Yes.
It just depends, right?
If you like it, put it somewhere that you want it to grow. Yes.
Yeah, you'd be just fine, right? All right. So, what do you think that is?
It's a butterweed. It's in the aster family.
Right. It's butterweed. It goes by another name, Cressleaf Groundsel. Is what I actually know it by. Beautiful flower though.
Yeah.
It's actually a winter annual. You know, it forms a rosette of leaves first throughout the winter months, and then of course spring gets here. Here comes the rest of the plant. Again, beautiful flowers. Has a little yellow disc in the middle. You know, surrounded by the petals. I actually like it. I think it's nice. You see fields of it. You know, of course now I've seen some over at Shelby Farms. You see them near ditches because they like moist soils. Okay. And anytime you have wet springs, you see more of these. And guess what we had?
A wet spring,
yeah. Which is why we're seeing them all over the place.
Neat.
Right? So there may be something for bees, maybe?
Yeah, I'm sure bees would use it.
Yeah, bees would use that. So there you have it, Miss Linda. All right, butterweed or Cressleaf Groundsel. And beauty's in the eye of the beholder, right? We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.